Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to THINKK Living UK. This is part 7 of my bathroom renovation. So at the moment, I'm still trying to get the tile adhesive off the walls. I got all the tiles off. I did a wall per day and it's proven difficult. I've managed to get it off this window wall the other day and I took a few days break because my hands were aching because I've got arthritis in my hands. And today I've just been chipping off bits here and there, so all the loose bits. So next month I'm hoping to get the plumber in to take out the toilet, the sink and the bath. So meanwhile, because I didn't have enough money this month to pay the plumber, I thought, I know, I'll get the tanking kit. So this is the tanking kit I bought, Everbuild, Aqua Seal. Came this morning. It was £70 online, but I had a 10% off voucher, so it was £63. So what's a tanking kit? So it took me about 10 minutes to get the lid off with a couple of knives. It's not like the way you crowbar a bicycle wheel off, it was like that. So basically, you get all these bits and bobs inside. She says, trying to get it out. Told you my hands were tired. Okay. Nice. So what have we got? So what you do, you put this primer on the walls, and if you've got like a wood floor, you prime it all first, and then round all the edges you put this tape, like a rubbery type tape, so like on corners, round windows, the joint between the floor and the wall. And then when that's all dry, you use this THINKK membrane. So on the internet, it's usually like a blue, and it puts like a plastic coat on the walls and floors to seal it all, to stop the water coming in. And once that's all dry, you're ready to go to do your tiling on your walls and on your floor. So I thought, well, I'll get that while I'm waiting, and this month I'll carry on chipping off the adhesive off the walls. But at least I feel like it's a positive move in the right step because I've bought me tanking kit, and hopefully next month I have a little man in to do the removal of all the yucky bits, and then I can crack on doing all the tanking and then the tiling. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm out of breath because I've been fighting with this tile adhesive and it won't come off. But anyway, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you would please, because I've only got about 5% of people who watch are subscribed, so there's a big heap of people who aren't subscribed. That would be great, because if I get a bit of monetization I might actually be able to buy me bath, because I've got no money for a bath at the moment. I know, sob story. So thanks for watching.